Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all are new to my channel, please subscribe it. This is my channel and you can share it with your colleagues. Okay. So let me jump into the today's session, guys. For today's session, what I'm going to cover it. So how to configure the shell profiles for the Linux and Windows. Okay. And I'm going to show it you how to remove the SSM user from your instance, how we can restore it. That is what we are going to cover it today's session, guys. Okay. So let's what we can do. We are going to create a two EC2 machine now. So one is for Windows, one is for Linux. Okay. So let me launch EC2 machine. Okay. So now I'll make it as a Linux instance. Then I'm going to mention Ubuntu. Okay. So today's session I'm going to use it Ubuntu. So let me make it default one. So the AMI I'm going to use it the latest one. So I'll be taking default instance type. So from here today, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a keeper. Okay. So I'll just mention it as a development. Okay. Create a keeper. Okay. So I'm going to use it existing security group. Okay. And if you come to down, so today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to attach the SSM while creating a server itself only. So earlier session, we have created a server, then we have attached it. This time I'm going to attach it directly while creating itself only. Okay. So let me go to view instance and again I'm going to create a new Windows machine. So just make it as a Windows server, or you can just check it 2019. Okay, if you are just selected Windows AMI, so by default it will take it 22 base. So now I'm going to take it 2019 base. So from here, so what I'm going to do for the instance here, I'll be selecting 214. So I'm going to select keeper. So I'm going to existing security group. So from here also I'm going to select the SSM role. Okay, let me create a here. Set let me what I'm going to do status. I'll just type it. I don't need. Let me just type it. Running instance. Okay. So as of now, two are running. Okay. So let's refresh the session. So the server is up and running as of now. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to system manager. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a shell profile. Okay. For the Linux and Windows. That is what we are going to do. Okay. For example, if I want to, as of now, there is a session manager. If you are just selected preference, okay. So if you are selected the preference, it is taking to system manager. So from here, let me just edit it. Okay. So as of now, nothing it is there. Okay. These are all the details. Okay. There is a Linux and Windows. Okay. Right now, right now. So whenever the SSM user log into my server, okay, I wanted to see this user. Okay. So what this it will do, it will just execute it and it will show us your cd/user. That means it is going to show it your user. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just save it. Okay. So let me go to EC2 machine. Okay. Now just try to connect it. That's it. Let's connect it. So now we should see that cd/user. Okay. That is what we are expectation. Okay. Are you able to see? So what is this? It is showing cd/user. So that is expected. We have seen it. Okay. Now the same way. Okay. Let me go to again edit it. I wanted to see the timestamp user. Okay. So I have a script. Okay. What I'm going to do? I'm going to just remove this script commands. I'm going to paste it these commands. Okay. Let me save it. So once you have saved it, it is showing successfully updated. So again, go to the Linux instance, connect and connect. Okay. So are you able to see what is this? It is showing timestamp echo. It is executed, and this 4 line also it is showing, right? So now we are able to see all the details here. Okay. So this is how we can configure the profiles preference. Okay. So let me give the one of the command. So I wanted to see the CPU details, okay, or metrics. Okay, just make it top command. So when you are saved it here, just go and refresh it. So what is it will show us? You can able to see that CPU memory. See, are you able to see directly? Okay, now the same thing I'll go and I'll edit it. I don't want it to execute anything. That should be by default. Okay, just go and refresh it. Okay, so now what is it showing? Nothing. It is just your home directory of. So what is your username? Who am I? It is showing your ssm-user. So this is for the Linux. Okay. So what about Windows? So just connect it. Okay. Let me see the default one. Okay. So let's wait. Okay. Now we are able to see the details. Okay. So now I don't want to see this. Okay. Let me go to the preference. Just edit it. So I have a PowerShell script. So just go and paste it here. So it is going to see the timestamp user, all the details. Okay, just save it and refresh it here. Okay, what is it showing? It is showing timestamp, split time, user, write post, all the details it is coming. So what is welcome to user? This is what we are getting output. The same way, there is one more script. So it is going to see the process of the and CPU. Okay, let's save it. Just refresh the session manager so that it will show us all the CPU details. Okay, are you able to see? Okay, then I don't want anything. Just go to edit, just remove, enter. Okay, just save it. Okay, so this is all about preferences of session manager for the Windows and Linux. Okay, and the next one is so by default, so all the Windows and Linux server there is a user called ssm-user. It is going to create it. Okay, so I wanted to remove it. So for example, right now this is easy to instance machine, right? Just log into here. apt update. Okay, it is showing permission denied. That means there is no permission, right? If you type it sudo apt update, okay, so now you are able to install it if you are using it. Okay, okay. So let me go to the session manager, run command. So when you are using a sudo, you are able to do it. Okay. So for example, I want to remove the sudo access for this user. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type it here, type it run shell. Okay, just select here. So I have a script. So the script, what it will do, it will go to this directory and it will remove the sudo access. Okay, let me go to here. I'm going to select it here. I'm going to uncheck everything. Let's wait for here. So now it is showing success, right? There is no details, right? Now just refresh it. So apt update. So now also it is getting error. Now what you can do? Sudo apt update. So what is it is showing? It is asking for the user. That means now we have removed the sudo access. Okay. I wanted to give the restore the sudo access. Okay. Just go back to here and copy to new. So now you are going to give the access to that user. Okay. So it will not ask for the any password now. Okay. Just run it. It is succeed. Let's wait. Sometimes we'll get out otherwise. If it is not getting any details, that is succeed. Okay. Just refresh here. Now sudo apt update. Okay, are you able to do it? Okay. Right now it is not asking any password. Okay. So this is how we can add and remove the SSM user. Okay. So the same thing for Windows also, right? For example, let me go to the Windows server. Let me connect it. Let's verify it first. The user is available or not. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to verify that user details. Okay. Right now there is a two users are there. Okay. I wanted to create it one more user. Okay. So for here I'm going to type it test. Okay. There is no such global user group. Let it be there. Okay. No need. So now you're able to see it. So now I wanted to remove this user. Okay. So let me just execute and delete this user. Okay. Now if you are verified it, you are not able to see that user. That means we have deleted. Okay. So again, how to give the access again? Okay. So now you are not able to log into the server, right? Okay. How to give it? Okay. Now what you can do is just select an instance, connect, go to the RDP. So there is a connect using Fleet Manager. Go to Fleet Manager. and select the key pair, browse it. So you will get a key pair, right? Download, just connect it. Okay, just maximize here. So you are able to log into the server. So go to the server manager. Go to computer management. So here there is a locals and users. Okay. So if you're able to see users, there is already users it is there. So what we have done it, we have deleted from the groups. So what is the group? Here. Okay. Now you can just add it here. You can just do one thing. Add ssm-user. Okay. So if you want to verify it, just open this one. There is a member of ssm-user. Okay. Let's verify it. Member of. Okay, it is already administrator, right? Okay, group already given ssm user. Now let's verify it here. Okay, so automatically the user got here. Okay, so this is how you can able to remove from the group and you can remove the users. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do it just using the run command. That is what you can do it. Okay, so today's session for these two topic wise. Okay, let me come up with a new topic. So till that, bye bye guys. Thank you.